Fourth tip to help you learn programming much faster. Number one, we need to take action. We need a lot of action, a lot of practice to ground programming in our head, to build that neurons in our head. We learn by doing. Second, we need to be very specific and set a very clear goal. Trying to go everywhere is like trying to go nowhere. Trying to learn everything, especially with programming, it's just infinite. You can do infinite amount of things with Python. And there's so many different ways, libraries you can go to. So you need to have a very specific goal to pinpoint exactly what you need to learn. Number three, you need to take small steps and build momentum until you get to your big juicy project. Trying to take a very big step will backfire and end up preventing you from learning programming. Number four, you need to pick the right resource. For me, it was a book. For you, it could be a course or a video. You need to test different resources and find out what media would work best for you. What is your learning style? This has been the Elegant Academy. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.